Hello everyone, this is Dallas Network and today I'm gonna show you how to install Kali Linux in virtual machine. So before we started to install Kali Linux in virtual machine, first of all we need to download the Kali Linux ISO image. So to download the Kali Linux ISO image, you can refer to the below link which I have given on descriptive box. Now we're gonna see how to install it. So to install it, just click on vmware workstation, or you can say virtual machine also. So now here you just click on create a new virtual machine because you are creating a new virtual machine for Kali Linux. So here you can find the two options are there, that is typical and the next one is custom advanced. So as you are a beginner, so just click on typical, that is recommended, then click on next. So here you can see that there are two methods to install. One is from installer disk and the other one is installer disk image, that is ISO image. Then click on, if you have a disk, then you can click on installer disk, otherwise you can click on installer disk image file if you have a ISO image. Then if you just browse it, then you can give your Kali Linux ISO image, then open as I have ISO image. So then click on next. Now it is asking virtual machine name, so I'll just type here Kali. Next it is asking location, so by default it is local disk C. So if you want to change, you can change it to any other disk. So I'll change it to my local disk F. So I'll type here simply Kali OS, then OK, then click on next. So you can see here minimum disk size, it is 20 GB by default. So if you want to increase, then you can increase it. So I'll give here 30 GB. Then below you can see there are two options: store virtual disk as a single file, or you can split virtual disk into multiple files. So I'll store virtual disk as a single file. Just check on store virtual disk as a single file. So click on next. Then if you want customization any hardware, so you can customize it. So I'll show you. So it is memory 512 MB RAM, it's okay for me. If you have a more capacity of RAM, then you can give it. The processor one is okay, everything is okay. So if you want to add any more, then you can add it, then close it. Then power on this virtual machine after creation. If you want, then you can click on it, otherwise if you don't want, then just uncheck it, then click on finish. Now it will automatically power on. Now maximize your screen. You can find your 6 options. So one is live, then the other one is fail safe, then the forensic mode, USB persistence, encrypted persistence, that is USB encrypted persistence. Then the last one is install. So I'll just click on install, or you can enter it. Then just select your English, then country is, your country is, mine is India. Key map to use is American English. It's loading additional components. Now attempting IPv6 auto configuration. So network auto configuration has succeeded. Now it's asking host name. So just by default it is written here Kali. So just continue it. Domain name. So just give here or just type here kali.com, or you can just type here kali.org. Okay, next press down button, then enter. That is continue. Root password now asking. So root password you can give anything as you want, but that one should be more strong. Then re-enter password to verify. Then continue. Now here it is asking partitioning method. So guided use entire disk and set up LVM, that is local volume manager. Then the third one is use entire disk and set up encrypted LVM, and the last one is manual. So for beginner it is better to select the first one, use the entire disk, then select disk to partition, yes, then click enter. Then partition scheme, all files in one partition, separate home partition, the next one is, and separate home user variable and temporary partitions. So it is not for the beginners. So all files in one partition recommended for new users, you can see here. So just enter it. Then you can see here guided partitioning, then configure software add, configure the logical volume manager. So no need all those things. Just finish partitioning and write changes to disks. Then you can see here it's asking here write changes to disks. Then just enter it, yes. Now copying data to disks, that is installing the system. So just wait here, it will take much time. So 5% completed. You can see here 20% has been completed. Now just wait for a while till it complete 100%. 36% has been completed. 37. 55% has been completed. You can see here. So you need to wait for a bit. Now here you can see that 80% has been completed and 20% left. So now also you have to wait for 20%. %91 completed. 93. Yeah, it's done now. Now it is scanning. Now here you can see that use a network mirror. Just click, or you can enter no. So just wait for the driving file. It's configuring. Now this installing Grub bootloader. Now it is asking install the Grub bootloader to the master boot record. Enter yes. Now it is finishing the installation. We are almost complete. It's setting the clocks, running updates. Now here you can see that installation is complete, so it's time to boot into your new system. Make sure the installation media, CD-ROM, floppies, or whatever may be the installation media you can say, so that you boot into the new system rather than restarting the installations. Then press here or enter, continue. Now it is finishing the installation, running, removing, or you can say the removing the live packages. Now it is starting. Now Debian GNU Linux, just click on it, then it will restart the OS. Now it's starting. Okay, now you can see here username is asking, so the username will be always root, ROOT root, and the password which he has set during installation. So just type the password. So it's showing you my computer. So it is, the screen size is too small, so we need to maximize it. So go to application, then go to administration. I'm sorry, system setting. Now here you can see that display. So now you can below you can see the resolution. So resolution of mine is 1360768, that is 16:9. I just click on it and apply. Then you can see here, then just click on keep this configuration, then click on apply. In this way you can install Linux in virtual machine, or if you have any question regarding this, then you can comment below in comment box. So like, subscribe and comment for more videos, and thank you for watching this video.